And Aubrey was her name, a not so very ordinary girl or name. But who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing? Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We took the light and danced together to the moon. But where was June? No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent